Are you looking for the best belt sander and your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best belt sander that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Wind Belt Sander. From Top Tool brand Wind comes this disc and belt sander for woodworking. It has a strong heavy-duty cast iron base that keeps the machine still while you work, an adjustable belt that tilts to either vertical or horizontal position, and also has a dust collector to ensure you don't have to spend hours vacuuming sawdust from every single crevice of your garage or workshop. Very little money for a very nice tool, wrote one reviewer who has owned many bench sanders. I think you will be very pleasantly surprised by the heft and build of this unit, aside from some plastic covering. This unit is heavy cast. This is a small sander, and, for its size, it has plenty of torque. Up next in the 4th place is the Rockwell Belt Disc Combo Sander, with a hole on the side of its metal base so you can screw it securely on a workbench. This 42-pound Rockwell belt sander is sturdy and won't wobble while you work. The belt's cast aluminum platform and belt table adjust from vertical to horizontal for all your DIY woodworking needs. I'm loving this bench top sander setup, wrote one reviewer. We make a lot of small woodcraft items for home decor in our shop and frequently have small pieces that need a quick sanding, and this is helping speed things through our production much quicker. It's quiet, reasonably powerful, and paper changes aren't too complicated. Real happy with our purchase. The 3rd product on our list is the Windcarted belt sander with dust bag. Even though this wind belt sander is corded and requires an outlet, its small size and low weight of only 6.2 pounds make it ideal for porting around from job to job. It has a powerful little 7-amp motor best for smaller tasks, and a lock feature so that you don't have to hold the trigger down the whole time during operation. Belt changes are easy, and it even has a dust bag for minimal mess. One happy reviewer wrote, "It's easy to use and gets the job done. I like the fact that it's portable and can be attached to a workbench." And another added, "Very impressed by the power and quality for the money. Works great. Awesome power, and dust box is a really well thought out idea." 2nd on our list is the RIKON belt sander with stand. If you can't sacrifice any more bench or worktop space, this RIKON belt sander comes with its own stand so you can keep it out of the way in its own dedicated corner. This powerful machine has a 1-horsepower motor, with the disc reaching speeds in excess of 2,500 revolutions per minute and the belt over 1,800 revolutions per minute. The belt is adjustable and the disc can tilt, making this tool a good option for professionals. One satisfied customer expressed, "Well designed, great performance, and good value." In use, the dust collection is excellent. The belt stays aligned under heavy use, and the motor is more than adequately powerful. It does what it was designed to do without much fuss. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bucktool Combo Belt Sander. For accurate grinding, the Bucktool Combo Belt Sander and Grinder has enough power and precision for grinding in bevels and shaping knives. Its heavy-duty construction and ability to sand at multiple angles make it a great option for both woodworking and metalworking. One buyer who bought this to use mostly for blade finishing wrote that it makes easy work out. The power on it is more than adequate for rough grinding and shaping. Assembly is simple and belts are easy to change and they line up well. They also added that you can easily make your own custom modifications on this unit too. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.